How to use Kraken's margin trading feature. So in this updated 2025 guide, I will walk you through every step. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open kraken.com and log into your account. Step 2. Make sure that your account is verified for margin trading, and you will need intermediate or pro level to access this feature. Step 3. Deposit funds into your spot wallet. Only specific coins like BTC, ETH, or USDT are eligible for margin trading. Step 4. Go to Trade and select Advanced Mode. Step 5. Choose your trading pair, for example, BTC and USD, and then click the Margin tab. Step 6. Set your leverage. Kraken allows up to 5 times unsupported pairs. Step 7. Enter the trade size, order type or market or limit, and confirm the trade. Step 8. Track your open positions in the Positions tab and manage your margin level. Step 9. Close the position manually or let it auto close via stop loss or margin call. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.